Hi, my name is Yaya. I work for HDI. This is a video talking also very quickly about interference analysis and frequency assignment. So let's see what we have. We have a digital terrain model, we have a cloud model, okay, we have satellite image, and so on. We also have a network here. Now that network, for your information, it is a TETRA, and we've got transmission power 81 ERP completely, and then we've got some frequency plan assigned, transmission antenna height, band is 25 kilohertz with some antenna. I just left it as omni antenna for now, and we've got a threshold of -95 dBm. These are the basic information you need to have in place. So I've got this as network. So the red is the existing network, and the blue is the new proposed site that we need to find frequency. So currently, if we conduct coverage predictions, so the first step in interference analysis or in frequency assignment is that you need to conduct the coverage prediction. So you can go and compute the coverage. Depending on the radius, so usually for TETRA, you need to go maybe 30 kilometer or 50 kilometer, inspect interference all the way. So done. The coverage is done. Once you have the coverage, you can conduct interference analysis to build understanding of the current situation based on existing frequency I have here. So you go to network interference analysis, C to I, and then you go with the global interference analysis, and then you go to C to I. So I'm going to, because I've already selected TETRA as a signal type for every station, I could check the C to I tables, and that this should help you extract the protection ratios from the database. If you don't have it, you need to take control. You need to tell the software the core channel is 19 dB, for example. So now you do preview just to double check, make sure it's working. Now you see C2I is being picked up 19 dB. This is a case of core channel 34975, 34975, 19 dB, and then net 45 dB for probably adjacent channels and so on. So this is confirming that the software is successfully extracting from a database the C2I protection ratio based on your technology that you selected. If it doesn't work, you need to check again what's going on, and then maybe you need to specify the value manually. So this is done now. Run the global interference analysis, and then let's see how we go. So this is going to conduct interference analysis, and I do expect interference in that area, because here this is a sort of interference. You can see here it's all pink. So that means there's a violation, there's interference. So how are we going to solve the problem? So first you need to isolate the station, or all the stations you need to assign. You go and isolate them. So now you see we've got only the new site. The existing sites are deactivated because I want to do a frequency assignment, and I don't want to mess up the existing frequency plan. So you go to coverage, you go to network, calculation, network planning, network frequency assignment. So in the frequency assignment, this is 1, 2, 3 tabs or 3 panels. The first panel, you need to select your frequency range or the channels you're going to use. You can do this in multiple ways. One way is, so when you use the band option, you specify the maximum frequency and the minimum frequency of interest, and then you specify the step. The channel step. So that should help us put here the 0 value. That should help us generate automatically the channel plan that we're going to use, or the channel plans that we're going to pick from to assign a new station. So once this is done, hit OK, and from here choose the rules. You could use Monte Carlo, which is a random, or adaptive, or sequential, which is going one by one from the lowest frequency to the highest frequency. So let's do the Monte Carlo, which is random, and choose here high number like 10 or 15. Okay, and then hit start. So that should assign a frequency. Here you go, done already. So station number 9 already now have a frequency 349.1. So close. So activate the rest, Control A. Now you see the frequencies. Now to check the usage of your spectrum, you use the shortcut Q on the keyboard. So Q. This is the first one. That's the second one. Different frequency, different frequency, different frequency, different frequency. So you can see how the core channels are used. So all these are unique frequencies, and you can see how they are placed in your network. So Control A, activate all. Now let's run interference analysis again. Network interference, C to I, And then this is the global interference again. C2I, we're using the C2I tables again because I have a signal type set to TETRA. So hit OK. And now we should see no interference. So there's no pink anymore. Okay, just little dots, and that's probably because of the one of the signals too far away, which is adjacent channel. But this is very minimal. So this is how you conduct C2I analysis. You can also do intermodulation analysis. If you have number of sites coexisting in the same spot, then you can do intermodulation analysis to validate your frequency from intermodulation perspective. But you usually care about, we usually do that for all stations within 20 meters, roughly 20 meters within that site. You need to do intermode analysis. So I will keep the intermode analysis to different video.